Hi, mateys. Are you ready to bring your students on a treasure hunt of a lifetime? This 13-lesson curriculum packet engages your students in pirate-themed activities that teach the order, pronunciation, structure, and categories of the most important book in the world, the Bible. Each lesson carefully details what you will need to purchase, prepare, and photocopy. The curriculum provides exact wording for teachers in bold, or you can use your own words. Things for teachers to do are in italics. Additionally, every necessary pattern, worksheet, and paper activity is included in this packet. Each lesson introduces a category of the Old or New Testament in order, with a review of previous categories, and includes such memorable activities as spelling out the books of law using broken pretzels, keep that cannonball off the ground game using black balloons, captain's orders, a pirate version of the game Simon Says, captain's hook ring toss to review whether books are Paul's letters or general letters, a peg-legged race, a pirate version of a three-legged race, encourages pairs of students to find parrot cards containing the letters of Paul. Sprinkled throughout the lessons are such things as review using magnetic books of the Bible, a link to the books of the Bible in pirate speak. Each lesson, students learn a new pirate word, you hornswoggler. Just 30 minutes of consistent, purposeful activities will set your students on the path for lifelong learning on a biblical treasure hunt of a lifetime.